piece will be welded onto here, like so. A little bit of room for play. Expansion. Then I'll cut some of these like here and make tabs here and here. And flip it over, use threaded rod, and hang it. Now I've got to cut out this section so it will go around. That fitting right there, that's the drain fitting. And I have 2 tanks, I'm going to do it twice. So this should be pretty fun. It'll take me a few minutes, not too long. And then since I don't have a welder, I'm going to take it down to a welding shop and have them weld it up for me. Can't wait to get these in. Well, there's the first one cut. This is the 23-gallon tank. As you can see, I cut that out. It's a little asymmetrical, but that's okay. Nobody's going to see it but me. Get this welded up, then I'll have to put some brackets on here and down here to hold it up. I'm going to cut those next. Finishing up the water tank brackets. As you can see, I've got them cut, and I've got to drill up to a 1/2-inch hole. That's the hard part. So this is the last hole. Let's see how it flies apart like all the rest I've done. They are toughy. Of course, it's always the last one that gives you the hard time. There it goes. Last one's done. Whew, and it's hot. Another good thing, another good piece of advice. Don't drill lots of hot steel with sandals on. Makes you do the hot steel dance. Okay, so my work table has come in handy. So I've got the brackets right there, ready to be welded up. I've got all my brackets here, ready to be welded on the stringers inside the bus. And I've got one piece of flat bar here that I've got to put in across the frame to make an access door for the gas tank inlet.